What if all the oxygen on Earth disappeared for just 5 seconds? Instantly, everyone holds their breath. Planes fall from the sky because jet engines need oxygen. Cars stop. Fires go out. Even your morning coffee? No steam. But oxygen isn't just for breathing. The ozone layer, made of oxygen, disappears too. That means, for 5 seconds, everyone gets a massive dose of UV radiation. Congratulations. You just got the world's worst sunburn. Concrete buildings? They collapse because oxygen holds the chemical bonds in place. Metal instantly shrinks, cracking structures. Imagine skyscrapers turning into giant Jenga towers. Then poof, oxygen comes back. Fires restart, planes that didn't crash keep flying, and everyone gasps for air like they just lost a swimming contest. So, what if oxygen disappeared for just 5 seconds? We'd survive. But buildings, planes, and even your skin wouldn't. A short nightmare with lasting scars. Drop a like before the oxygen runs out. And subscribe for more insane what ifs.